cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Tonight Appa is going to make one of the easiest nyonya dish ever, and it is super yummy. Now I have some prawns here. Recently there's a lot of sea prawns in the market. Still, even though it's a lot, but the price still doesn't seem to really come down. This is probably about 1 kg around 70 plus or 60 plus. I can't remember because I usually buy two kinds of size. This is the size of 1 kg, approximately 38 pieces. Yeah, the cheaper one should be 60 plus. The 70 plus is 1 kg, 28 pieces. That's how they normally sell their prawns. So you can tell from the number of prawns within 1 kg, then you will know what is the size. Okay, so this is, to me, this is considered the smaller one, at least 60 plus over. So what I did was I actually trimmed the legs and also the pointy head. I did not devein it because this is actually not very big. If you're a bigger one, I will devein. Then we will need some Assam Jawa, yeah. This one, any brand will do. You can get it in any supermarket. There's a lot of brands selling it. Why I like to use this kind of Assam Jawa because it is a puree, yeah? It is actually a puree, no seeds inside, straight away scoop and use, very fast. Then we will need some light soy sauce, a bit of dark soy sauce, and a bit of salt. You can put a bit of sugar, yeah? We're going to start by putting in one good tablespoonful of Assam puree, yeah? This is the main source of flavor. Then we give it a little bit of light soy sauce. A bit of dark soy sauce. To me, the sugar is really optional. You don't have to put it if you don't want to. A little bit of salt, fine salt, yeah? Do I want to put the sugar today? Probably not. Right, then we just mix everything up. Make sure everything is nice. The prawn is nicely coated, yeah, with all the sauce here. And then we just send it to your wok or pan for pan fry. Then this dish is done. That's how simple it is. Seriously, this is probably, I think, the simplest nyonya dish ever, but it is super famous and super flavorful. So prepare a deeper wok, prepare a wok or a deeper pan. I'm using a deeper pan today. Give it some oil and heat up the oil. Once you have heated up the oil, then put in the prawns. We will pan fry the prawn for somewhere around 3 minutes. Yeah, don't cook your prawn for too long. Your prawn can actually become mushy. We'll come back shortly. Wow, I can really smell the Assam smell. Assam aroma. Very nice. Let me flip the prawns over. I like the char I'm getting right now. You actually caramelize. This is like 1 minute plus. You can start seeing all the prawns started to curl up. A sign of telling you is getting more and more cooked. Alright, this is after about 2 minutes. I added some water into the marinade just now to dilute it. I'm putting it in, don't waste it. Almost done. Look at how simple it is. If you have a lid, you can actually put the lid. Alright, this is coming to 3 minutes. You can see the prawn is fully curled up. A sign of telling you it is cooked. Yeah, right. It's now ready to be served. I don't mind giving a few dashes of white pepper. Done. That's how simple it is to make this dish. So here's my very simple Assam prawn. Yeah, if you like my video, do share my video on the Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on the Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. For those who don't like to eat the shell, you can remove the shell if you want to. It's home cooking. There's no rules in Appa kitchen. There shouldn't be any rule in your kitchen as well. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.